This is What Food Should I Eat Part 2, and the first episode was really more about starting to move towards minimally or more minimally processed foods. And this one's a bit different because as I've been a nutrition coach this year and been working with clients, I hear a lot, just tell me what to eat. They think they want me to just tell them, eat this, this, and this, and everything will be great. Well, after reading this study, it turns out they might not actually want that. And so I was really excited to share this data with you. And I know a lot of people think that they want those done for you meals or a very precise eating plan or a collection of healthy recipes. And, growing up, when you dream about winning the lottery, it's like a personal chef. That's what I want. I want them to make all the meals for me, which I still probably do want. But it does seem like an obvious solution to weight loss struggles, right? To have someone make all your meals, or they're all there ready for you, or you have the exact meal plan, or you have just this collection of amazing recipes that you love to make. Well, here's the result of a 12-week diet study conducted by Stanford University. For the first 4 weeks, the participants were given all of their meals, all of their snacks, no cooking, no food prep, no meal planning, no wondering, oh, what should I eat? None of that was going on for the first 4 weeks. Then for the next 8 weeks, participants were on their own to plan, shop, cook, and they really wanted to make it work for whichever diet or meal plan that they were following. So there wasn't a specific quote unquote diet or meal plan. And here are the findings. The participants preferred making their own meals over eating the meals that were given to them by a nutrition scientist. In the second 8 weeks, all 42 participants declined the option of having their meals made for them. Is that crazy? I kind of want to take the first 4 weeks and see what would happen to me. They said they wanted expert-created shopping lists, meal ideas, and recipes, but they didn't even use them. They asked for them, the scientists gave it to them, and they didn't use them. And even with all these resources, they ended up making only small adjustments to their normal diet. And I feel like that's what we really talk about here. How can you just nudge that needle a little bit? And then in a month or two, maybe nudge it a little bit more. Diets don't usually solve the most pressing problems of getting people to eat better. What most folks need help with are building sustainable skills that help manage portion sizes, that help regulate emotions without turning to food, and choosing nutritious food that they'll actually enjoy. I cannot stress that enough. Find a huge list of nutritious foods that you actually love and enjoy. Well, because most of us have a pretty good idea of what to eat when it really comes down to it, but consistently doing it is the real challenge. The study made me happy because this is really what I do with my nutrition clients. It's not a one-size-fits-all diet or meal plan. The secret is finding real foods that you love and creating a sustainable, easy plan that will help you eat more of those foods. That's it. That's it. I've had some clients ask me to do group nutrition coaching lately. And so I'm going to go ahead and put a wait list in the show notes. If I have enough interest, I might just start doing that in the very near future. Please subscribe or follow, and I'll see you next time.